Welcome to our Manoj MD YouTube channel. Today we'll cover the 30 most important questions on Odisha Utkal Sammilani, which are repeatedly asked in OSSSC, OPSC, CT-B.Ed, police, and RI exams. So get ready, let's start learning and make Odisha proud. First question, when was Utkal Sammilani founded? Right answer, 1903. Next question, who was the founder of Utkal Sammilani? Right answer, Madhusudan Das. Next question, where was the first session of Utkal Sammilani held? Right answer, Cuttack. Next question, in which year was the first session of Utkal Sammilani held? Right answer, 1903. Next question, who presided over the first session of Utkal Sammilani? Right answer, Radhanath Ray. Next question, what was the main aim of Utkal Sammilani? Right answer, to unite all Odia-speaking areas into one province. Next question, what is the full name of Utkal Sammilani in English? Right answer, Utkal Union Conference. Next question, which leader is known as Utkal Gourav? Right answer, Madhusudan Das. Next question, who was known as Utkal Mani? Right answer, Gopabandhu Das. Next question, who was the first secretary of Utkal Sammilani? Right answer, Gopabandhu Das. Next question, which language did Utkal Sammilani aim to promote? Right answer, Odia. Next question, Utkal Sammilani worked for the formation of which province? Right answer, Odisha province. Next question, when was the Odisha province formed? Right answer, 1st April 1936. Next question, who was the first governor of Odisha province? Right answer, Sir John Austin Hubback. Next question, who was the first Prime Minister of Odisha province? Right answer, Biswanath Das. Next question, who is called the architect of modern Odisha? Right answer, Madhusudan Das. Next question, what was the motto of Utkal Sammilani? Right answer, unity of Odia-speaking people. Next question, how many districts were merged to form Odisha province in 1936? Right answer, 6. Next question, which year marks the centenary celebration of Utkal Sammilani? Right answer, 2003. Next question, where was the 100th anniversary of Utkal Sammilani celebrated? Right answer, Cuttack. Next question, who among the following was not related to Utkal Sammilani? Right answer, Subhash Chandra Bose. Next question, which British official supported the demand for Odisha province? Right answer, Lord Curzon. Next question, what was the slogan of Utkal Sammilani? Right answer, one language, one state. Next question, when did Madhusudan Das pass away? Right answer, 1934. Next question, which social reform was supported by Utkal Sammilani? Right answer, women's education and empowerment. Next question, which famous Odia poet supported Utkal Sammilani? Right answer, Gangadhar Meher. Next question, which organization emerged as a result of Utkal Sammilani's movement? Right answer, Odisha Provincial Congress Committee. Next question. Who was the first woman member of Utkal Sammilani? Right answer, Ramadevi Chaudhary. Next question. Utkal Sammilani mainly worked during which period? Right answer, 1903-1936. Next question. What is the historical significance of Utkal Sammilani? Right answer, it united Odia people and led to the creation of Odisha state. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more Odisha GK and history exam questions daily. Your one click motivates us to bring more useful content for your success. Jai Utkal Janni.